Dear, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is can the washer and dryer having error message E02. As for the technician, everybody know this what is the problem with this error code. Now anyway, I will explain to you. I will show you how to resolve this issue. This is related with the water inlet, water supply to the machine. This machine not taking water from the out inside the machine. Because of that, we have to check externally whatever water connection supplying to the machine, water valve, water inlet hose, water supply everything perfect, but problem we found, we occurred the problem. Now we have to check the water inlet valve and main control board, everything. For suppose we have to remove the machine and we will check, we will go to the next step. See, you can remove. Now for suppose we have to remove the top cover, and here one screw. Now see, you can remove like that this piece, and after that we have to pull out. This one is easy to take. Now we can check inlet valve here. We can remove connection like that here, lock and pull out also here. Now I'm going to remove the inlet valve, this one, and we have to press and turn it. Now see, it will come like that. You can take it out. This one you can see it is 240, 220, 240. This one 50-60 hertz. That's mean to 220 power, not the DC. Because of that, what I'm going to do now, I have to check the inlet valve properly, continuity, everything. To here or not. Now I'm going to check continuity. This 2 valve, 3 valve. Yes, that one also, that already showing continuity. You can see. Also this one. Yeah, that one also showing. You can see that one also showing continuity. And what about this wall? Yes, you can see that this one wall already broken, defect. Because of that, water not coming to the machine. This black one, this one, because of that, water not taken to the machine. Now what we can do, we have to replace this wall full set. Now I have to replace the inlet valve. I'm not going to do any modification, and we have to remove this clamp. And we can remove like that. And this one, this is 220, 240, 50-60 hertz. we can replace the same thing. Now I'm going to replace that one. I have in the same one here. Now I'm going to replace this one. This one also same. We can replace and we will check. It should work actually after replacing. Now I'm going to replace this one and we will check after replacing. Now I'm going to fix this one, inlet valve, which is I'm going to replace. Now here lock, we have to turn it until getting lock. Now it's okay. Now I can give the connections here. Also this one. Now I can give the connections here as same before. Also white here. Now it's okay. Now we will give the water connection and we will start the machine and we will check. Now I am giving already water connection and we will check. Now I am going to select daily. It is 39 minutes. Now I will start the machine. Now already door lock. Here drain pump also start. You can see it is 39 minutes. Temperature it will come 40 degrees Celsius. Also RPM 800. Now we can check here. Yes, it is. You can see here water coming. Yes, it is water coming. Inlet valve okay. Water taken to the machine. Now our problem will get solved. We can hand over to the customer. Now it is already completed. The machine now already running very well without any problem. Now it's not showing any error message. Now it's remaining 37 minutes. Now my job is completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.